Hello guys, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make telekinesis, where you can grab a part by clicking on it and then you can move it wherever you want. So if I want to move it all over there, and there's also going to be like a little highlight effect, and so you can move any part you want. And yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make a script in a local script in starter player scripts. Okay, now that you made the local script, we're going to grab a couple variables. So first thing is going to grab our local player. Next is we're gonna grab our mouse, just like that, player get mouse. And now we're gonna have a current part variable, a current highlight variable, and a connection. And these are all the variables we're gonna need. Now what we're gonna do is make a function. This is going to be create highlight, and what this is gonna do is make the highlight for the part, and it's gonna take in a part parameter. So now we're gonna create the highlight. So just write the following. Okay, so go ahead and take a second to copy this code. All it really does is just make a highlight instance and put it inside our part. And I just chose a little purple color here, and I give it a 0.7 fill transparency. And you can just customize it however you want. Next, what we're gonna do is see when we click, we left click. So what we're gonna do is see if there is a hit part. So the way we do this is using mouse target, and pretty much what mouse target does is it checks if you're clicking any parts. So if I were to click this part right here, it will return that part as the target. And so we're gonna go local hit part is equal to mouse target. If hit part, then we'll set current part as a hit part. We're gonna create the highlight for the part. So we're gonna do create highlight hit part, and then what we're gonna do is write this. So connection is equal to mouse.move connect function. You're gonna set the hit part's position to the mouse hit position, and so what this does is it sets a connection here to whenever we move our mouse. So whenever I move my mouse like this, the part will move with me. And so we set it to a connection so we can disconnect it after once we release it. And so yeah, and this is it for that. All right, so now that we made the connection, what we're gonna do is check whenever we release the mouse button or left click. So whenever it goes up, whenever we release it, what we're gonna do is check if there's a connection. Then we're gonna disconnect it, which pretty much just stops running this code right here. And then if we made a highlight, then we're gonna destroy the highlight and get rid of it. One more thing I forgot to change is make sure you write current highlight is equal to create highlight. I accidentally wrote create highlight. Just change that and you're good. And so this is the code right here. And so yeah, if I were to hit play. Alright, so I'm going to click on this part right here, and you see wherever I move my mouse, the part comes with me. And yeah, I can move any part here. And I can move this, I can literally move any part. And it has a little highlight effect too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And the one problem with this is that it's only going to show up on your client. So if you want me to show you how to make it show up on everyone else's game too, then leave a comment and I'll make a video. And thank you guys for watching.